done, I'm going to show you the comp plan now. Now, the comp plan is phenomenal, guys. Basically, there's 6 levels, and when you sign up and you purchase the bot and you activate it, you have to activate it, not just purchase it. It's $150 annually for the bot. Very, very affordable for us, guys. So when you sign up, you're a 1-star once you activate the bot. Then, once you have sponsored 3 people and have 50 members activated total on your team, which I hit yesterday at about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, then you become a 2-star member. So guys, from 3-star down, don't even worry about it. Just go for 2-star right now. Those 50 members can fall in 1 leg. They don't have to be in 3 legs. But once you hit that, you want to go to the next level, which is 3-star. That's sponsor 5. Have 2 1-stars in 3 separate legs now. This is a unilevel that pays for infinity until it finds the next person at your level, and then you get 5% of that person's total earnings. So 3-star, sponsor 5. 4-star, sponsor 10. Have 1 3-star in 3 separate legs. 5-star, sponsor 20. Have 1 4-star in 3 separate legs. And then partner, sponsor 30. Have 1 5-star in 3 separate legs. And then there is additional, for this is 3-star, you only have to have 200. 4-star, you only have to have 500. 5-star, you only have to have 1,000. And partner, you only have to have 2,000. Guys, these numbers are so realistic. It is unbelievable. We're almost done here. So let me share over here. Okay, so this is the comp plan broken down into how much that we receive. So as a 1-star member, you haven't brought anybody in yet. You're at all you did was activate your software. That was it. 150, you activated it, that's it. If you bring in or introduce somebody to this, it's going to be a 30% that you're going to receive on the membership level, the membership fee, which 150, 30% of that's $45. Okay, now remember that because that's important. You're going to see that in a second. And you also receive 20%. And I forgot to mention this. The company takes 20% of the profit that you make on your trades. So let's say you make $100, they're going to take 20. Now, if I gave you $100 and I asked you for 20 back, would you do that? Yeah, all day long, wouldn't you? How many times a day? How many times a minute? We'd be exchanging it as quickly as possible. Well, that's basically what's happening here. And how they do that is they ask you to put a reserve in your back office of just starting out with $50. Depending upon how much you trade, that's going to go down. Depending upon how much profit the bot's making for you. And it only closes out a trade when there's a profit. Okay? So you're making in your exchange, you're making 100%, but they're asking you to give them back just 20%. And that's how it works. Now, out of that 20%, the company is paying commissions out of that. So you make 20% of that 20% when you bring in people personally. But when you get to 2-star member, you're now making 40% in your membership sales, and you're making 30%, and you notice the little plus because you're making overrides from here down. And what does that mean? For infinity, guys, for infinity, it's going to pay you $15 additional on the membership sales until it finds another 2-star. But all the people that are going wide, you're still making that 10%. And the same thing here on the reward ratio. It's another 10%. And I'm not going to call this a profit sharing. It's a reward that they give you for helping people start with the software. It's that simple, guys. So over here, when you get the 3-star, you're now making 50%, 75, but you're making a difference all the way down until it finds somebody at your level or higher. 3-star, 60%. And over here on the ratio, you're making 50%. of that now and overrides all the way down. At the top of the food chain, you're making 70% on the membership sales, and for infinity all the way down. Now guys, I've been involved in programs that were set up not even half as good as this. My cutoff line was, I think, at 21 deep, and I was paying myself $4,000 a day in that one, okay? This thing is gonna go to the moon, guys, and you're gonna be on the ride with it. On your reward ratio, you're making 60% at the top, and the difference between all of those below you. And then when somebody comes to your level, at that point, you're making 5% of whatever they're earning on both sides. Just crazy awesome, guys. You know, our heart is to help people, and I believe that's everybody's heart on this call. And guys, I can't be more thankful for Paul for tapping me on the shoulder, and I can't be more thankful for everybody that's on this call, guys. So I love you more than pizza.